The second trading week of 2013 comes to a close with investors analyzing weak results from Wells Fargo and higher inflation in China. Hi, I'm Sayoko Murase. Welcome to the weekly market wrap for January 11th, 2013. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq were all higher for the week. Crude oil futures are higher this week, trading around $93.63 a barrel on Friday afternoon. Gold futures are slightly higher this week, trading at $1,662.95 an ounce in afternoon trading. In notable economic news this week, the Labor Department announced on Thursday first-time jobless benefits claims rose by 4,000 this week to 371,000 claims. The four-week rolling average for the week was 365,750, an increase of 6,750 over last week's revised average of 359,000. There were 646,219 initial claims during the same week in 2012. In corporate news this week, Verizon announced on Monday at an investor conference that the company expects to take about $9 billion to $10 billion in one-time charges during its fiscal fourth quarter. Of that amount, about $1 billion was due to Hurricane Sandy, of which about a third will be covered by insurance, while about $1.5 billion in charges was related to debt refinance, and the remaining $7 billion related to pension liabilities. PriceSmart announced that it earned $20 million, or 66 cents a share, for the most recent fiscal quarter, versus earnings of $14 million, or 47 cents a share, in the same period last year. Revenue was $535.4 million versus $477.5 million last year, while analysts expected $535.4 million. Tiffany, meanwhile, said it expects earnings for the fiscal year ending on January 31st to be near the low end of its previous forecast of $3.20 to $3.40 a share. Analysts expected the company to earn $3.29 a share. The company expects earnings growth in 2013 of 6 to 9%, a conservative target due to economic uncertainty. Constellation Brands announced that third quarter profits increased as a result of marketing activity. The company earned $110 million, or 58 cents a share, up from $105 million, or 52 cents a share in the same period last year. Revenue increased by 9% to $767 million. Alcoa announced that it earned 6 cents per share during the fourth quarter versus a loss of 4 cents per share in the same period during 2011, meeting expectations. Revenue decreased by 2% to $5.9 billion as aluminum prices dipped slightly. Analysts, however, had expected lower revenue of $5.6 billion. The company projects an increase in global aluminum demand of 7% in 2013 versus 6% in 2012. This is the weekly market wrap for Friday, January 11th, 2013. Please join us on Monday for the week ahead market report. This is Sayoko Murase for PassFail.com, taking you behind the ticker.